if you look at these are our key critical levels. Look back here. There's 230. There was our 237. I had 220. Yeah, right here. 233.27. I said this could possibly gap back down to here. I didn't know when. Obviously, we don't have that, right? But there it was. There was your gap down. That was yesterday. It happened. I told you guys this like 2 days ago. I said, listen, guys, this is free falling, which means now we're looking at each one of these. If you look at these key levels, right? This is one. This is one. And this is one. Do you see them? There are your next levels on Tesla. Look how it broke all the way through each one of these within the last couple of days. Boom, boom, boom. And now guess where we're headed? Right here. 223.22. You guys see it?
Yes, sir.
So, oh, and right here. That is 226.75. Looks like around that area is going to be the next major level. Why? Because look, see it here? So right now we're at 228.60. So today, if it's today, you could see 226.75 or 223.22. Do you guys see how this is working out? That is the free fall. People love to have it go to where it was before, which means then you could possibly have buyers sitting somewhere. I mean, look at this one. It's sitting right on it, right? I said 226.75. I mean, think about it. Tesla's moved $4 down 2%. This could hit this today. Oh, wait. Look at, I said 226.75. Look where it stopped. 227. See it? I didn't even know
Like you know
hear
what
that.
you're talking about.
Yeah, I didn't even know it was anywhere near this, but do you see what I'm saying? So it's already at this spot. And now if it breaks this, you could be looking all the way down to 223.22. Do you see how this was working? Off of this, bounced up, pulled back, bounced up. This right here. And it's going to be off by some pennies because we won't know the exact, to the dime, but you can tell how pretty damn close it is, right? If we look at each one of these, you guys see it?